So I wanted to go over our Rinnai Central app, and what this app allows you to do, it actually allows you to Bluetooth into these units. You can use it for product registration, you can use it for your initial setup of the tankless when you're doing your parameter settings. And the way you do that, you want to make sure your unit's in Bluetooth mode. Come in here to your app, press your connect to a Bluetooth device. I'm going to connect over to this unit, continue. And as this is going through, it's going to ask you if you want to pair or not. So yes, I want to pair. The great part about this app is it now goes through and starts connecting it to the unit. So now that this unit has connected, it allows me to go in and do what we call a quick setup. I can go in and choose whether it's natural gas or propane. I can go in and say whether it's indoor or outdoor. I can go in and set my elevation for this unit, as well as whether or not I have a crossover, which we installed a crossover underneath the kitchen sink. So we're going to go into crossover mode. We have a dedicated mode as well for that dedicated loop, or we can just have it off if you're not using the pump. We want economy or comfort. We're going to run this into the comfort mode. And we go through our circulation pump speed. We have max, high, medium, low. We want Smart Circ enabled. Smart Circ allows this feature to now learn the customer's usage throughout their home. So as they start using water, it's going to start making logs inside our system here, which will keep that pump going during their times of usage. We want the wireless push button because we are going to be linking up some push buttons into this as well, so they can do on demand as they want. And it allows you to set the max domestic hot water temperature, 120 or 140. Right now we have this at 140 just in case they want to change that up at all. It also has a toggle so you can move this down to set the temperature. Alerts to know when to service it, and then you can send this over to your Rinnai appliance and it'll put all that in there for you. The great part about this feature as well is you can go into your advanced setup mode as well, and all those screens that we just went over, it's all here in a drop down screen, so you can go through and do it that way as well. What I really do like about this Rinnai Central app is, as a contractor out in the field, you can save your parameter settings. So if you're one that is doing it in your specific area and you're doing multiples, you can save them and have that go over to each unit that you install. You don't have to keep going into each one of these. I can take an old profile, link it up to this one, and it'll put those parameters into my new one. So it saves me time there as well from having to set up every single tankless that you install out in the field. You can get product information, you can get diagnostic history codes. So if this unit has been throwing any error codes, you can actually get into it and see what codes it's been throwing, so you don't have to guess at what the unit's doing anymore, and you can provide valuable feedback to tech support when on the phone with them in the future.